Hi guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to turn on Windows Defender in Windows 10. So let's get started. Simply go to start button, click on settings. Now here you have to click on update and security. Now here you can see option Windows security. Click on it. Click on viruses and data protection. Now scroll down and you have to click on manage setting, and you have to simply turn on the real-time protection. So guys, this is the temporary solution. Turn on Windows Defender permanently. So you have to simply go to search bar, type reg edit and click on registry edit. Here you can see the option of HKey local machine. Expand the HKey local machine. Now expand the option software. Find out the option policies. Click on Microsoft. Now here you can see the option Windows Defender. Click on it. Simply right click here. As you can see the option D over 32-bit. Click on it and set the value to 1 and click on OK, and simply restart your PC. Your problem will be fixed by following this process. Thanks for watching.